Hello, kids, and welcome back. We started learning about the motion group of construction that we are going to give our robot. Now, let's see some more. I have this saying go to mouse pointer. So, if it is here, this is where my mouse is. So, it is going to on the direction where my mouse is. And if I'm going to bring it here, this is my mouse pointer. Okay, it is just following where my mouse pointer is. And next is go to random position. It will go to any position it likes. Okay, so going to random position is just like giving him a ability to go anywhere. And if I'm going to put that with my instructions, let's see what it is doing. So turning, moving, waiting, turning back and going to random position. Okay. And if I want to make this one double, instead of bringing it back from here, I'm just going to right click on it and duplicate it. Putting it down here. Okay. And this one, go to the mouse pointer. So you see my mouse pointer is here. It is going to this position, then going back anywhere else. Okay, I'm going to I'm going to show duplicate. It is going to duplicate whatever under it is. I just wanted to show you how the duplicate works. So I am going to put here wait 2 seconds again. Turn, move, wait. Turn back, go to mouse pointer, and I am going to make it 1 second so you can see it is going in the direction of the mouse as well. Okay, I'm just going to move my mouse very fast. Okay, now I'm going to bring my mouse pointer in this stage. So it goes to my mouse pointer, then it goes back again somewhere else. That's how you can make a game interactive. This mouse, this robot is going to follow your mouse. All right. So that's how again it is going to follow all the instructions one by one from top to bottom. And this go to mouse pointer is interactive, means that I'm telling it to touch something, that it is going to touch my mouse, then go back to somewhere else. Okay. All right. So to show you more clearly, I am going to duplicate this and put it in some positions. Okay, one more thing. If I am going to click this one, it is going to follow these instructions, not the instructions that are detached. Okay, so after every step, I am going to put a wait so we can really see some actions going on. So for every step, it is going to wait a little while. All right. So that's how we can make a game interactive. You can use your touch screens, your mobile phone screens, and create games like that. Bye bye now. See you in the next module.